Morning, children. Today we are going to learn about our sense organs. Do you know, children, what are the sense organs? The sense organs are the body parts which are able to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch or feel. Again, I'll repeat. The sense organs are the body parts which are able to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch or feel. So, the five sense organs are the sense organs are the eyes for seeing, the ears for hearing or listening, nose for smelling, tongue for tasting, and skin for touching or feeling the things around us. Okay, all right. So now we are going to see the senses again through the slide in detail. So our first sense organ is eyes. Okay, which sense organ is this? Eyes. Okay, so we see with our eyes. Say with me, we see with our eyes. Yes, so what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Yes, children. So now let's see the pictures which are given here. Okay, you can see the pictures. First one is what? Rainbow. Yes, so you see the rainbow. Yes, so how do we see? With the help of our eyes. We see with our eyes. Yes, children. So first is what? Rainbow. We see the rainbow with our eyes. What is the second picture? What the boy is doing here? Here the boy is watching TV. That is television. Okay. So how he is watching? With the help of his eyes. So we watch TV with our eyes. Yes. What is the third picture here? The girl is reading book. So we read book with the help of our eyes. So what is the first sense organ? Eyes. Okay. Now let's see the second sense organ. This is what? Which sense organ is this? Nose. Yes, nose. So we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Now here in this picture, what we can see? The girl is taking smell of the flower. Yes, what this girl is doing? She is taking the smell of the flower. So how the smell comes? With the nose. With the nose. Okay, so we smell with our nose. Yes, what is the second picture now? Garbage bin. Yes or no? So the garbage stinks very badly. How we come to know that the garbage stinks badly? With the help of our nose. Yes? Yes. Now in this picture, what the boy is doing here? What you can see here? These are what? Yummy cookies. And what the boy is doing here? He is taking the smell of the cookies. Yes? So with the help of nose. Okay? So now we'll see the third organ, sense organ, that is ears. Okay, what are this? Ears. ears are the third sense organ. Now let's see the pictures. Now what is the first picture over here? Speakers. Okay. What we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. So what is the first picture here? Speaker. Yes. So what comes out from the speaker? Yes, the sound comes out from the speaker. Yes, and we hear the sound with the help of our ears, right? Now what is the second picture? This is what? Bell. Yes, when the bell rings, the sound comes out and we hear the sound, right? Yes or no? With the help of our ears. Yes. Now what is the third picture? What the boy is doing here? The boy is listening to the music. The boy is listening to the music. Yes, and with the help of his ears, right? Yes or no? Now let's see the fourth sense organ, and the fourth sense organ is tongue. So what do we do with our tongue? We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Yes. And do you know, children, the four common tastes are sour, sweet, bitter and salty. Yes. So now let's see in detail. So these are the pictures. So let's see the first picture. Okay, what this boy is doing in this picture? What he is eating? Yes, he is eating ice cream. You also like ice cream, right? Yes, this boy is eating ice cream. So what is the taste of the ice cream, children? Yeah, it tastes sweet. Ice cream tastes sweet. Yes. Now in this picture, what the boy is eating? What this boy ate? Oh, this boy ate chili. And what is the taste of the chili, children? Yes, it is spicy. The chili is spicy. Yes. Now, in the third picture, what you can see? What this baby is doing? This baby is licking, yes, lemon. And what is the taste of the lemon? Lemon is sweet? No. Then how is lemon? Lemon is sour. Lemon is sour. Yes, look at the face of the baby, right? Children, let's see our fifth sense organ. And skin is our fifth sense organ. And do you know, children, skin is our largest sense organ. Why? Because our full entire body is covered with skin. Yes? Now, what we see in this picture, children? Yes, see the first picture here. We can see two hands, right? One hand is pulling the skin of other hand, right? So you also try this now. Slowly pull your skin. Yes. What you feel? It pains, right? So when you touch your skin, you feel something, right? Why? Because of your skin. When we touch our skin, so with the help of our skin, we can touch and we feel it, right? Yes. So now let's go to the second picture. What is the second picture? We can see two girls. What they are doing? Yes, they are playing with their teddy bear, soft toy. You must be having soft toy at home, right? You all also play. Yes or no? So how is your soft toy? You touch your soft toy? Is it hard? No, it is soft. So how you came to know that it is soft? When you touch it and you feel it. Yes, you came to know that the toy is soft. Yes or no? So how? With the help of your skin. Yes. Now let's see the third picture. And what is the third picture here? What the girl is doing here? Yes, she is playing with the pet. Yes, she is playing with her pet. What she is doing, she is touching her pet. Yes, with the help of her skin. With the help of her skin. Now we'll see the worksheet, and this is our worksheet. Okay, draw a line to match the picture that relates to each sense. So you can see on the one side the pictures are given, and on the other side the sense organs are given. So what we are supposed to do is we will match the pictures to the sense organ, right? So let's start. Which is the first picture? First picture is musical instruments. So what comes out of this? The sound comes out of this instrument. Yes, so we hear the sound with our ears, right? So is this our ear? Is this the ear? Yes, so we are going to match this to ear, right? So now what is the next picture? Photo frame. Yes, so what we do, we see the photo frame. Yes, we see. So we see with our ears? No. We see with our eyes? Yes. So we see with our eyes. Yes. So now which picture is this? Flower. Yes. So what we do with the flower? We smell the flower. Yes, and we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Yes. Now which picture is this? It's a pin. Yes, now when we touch the pin, what happens? We get hurt badly. Yes, yes or no? So our skin, we feel that our skin is getting hurt. So we'll match this to skin. Yes. Now which picture is this? Pizza. Yes, so we taste pizza with the help of our tongue. Yes, we taste with our tongue. Yes, so we completed this worksheet, and you're also going to practice this worksheet at home, right? Now let's go for recap questions. Okay, now this is the first question. Okay, what do we do with our eyes? Yes, children, tell me. We see with our eyes. Say with me. We see with our eyes. You can see the boy is looking at the picture, right? So now next question. What is next question? What do we do with our ears? Yes, what do we do with our ears? Yes, what this boy is doing? He is listening to the music. Okay, so we hear with our ears. Say with me. We hear with our ears. Okay. Now next question. Third question is, what do we do with our nose? Tell me, children, what do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. As you can see in this picture, what this girl is doing? She is taking the smell of the flower. Yes, so we smell with our nose. Say again. We smell with our nose. Now, next question. What do we do with our skin? Yes, we touch or feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Yes, you can see in this picture what this boy has done. He is touching the hot water. Okay, so what will do? What happens when we touch the hot water? We feel hot. Yes, so we feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Yes. Now let's see the next question. What do we do with our tongue? This is the last question. What do we do with our tongue? Show me your tongue, children. Yes. So, we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Yes, what this girl is doing? She is eating ice cream. Yes. So, how the ice cream taste? How it tastes? It tastes sweet. Yes, yummy. So, we taste with our tongue. Yes. So, children, you will practice these questions at home. Okay, and I'll finish this session here. Thank you, children. Bye.